As traffic congestion continues to slow commuters down, the government is pushing full steam ahead with major transport projects across the country. One of these is the North-South Commuter Railway project, which is expected to help take the heat off the roads and cut travel time for thousands of passengers. James Thompson tells us more.
Why is like that?
Actually, not madali to be executed. So,
You're the only contractor who does that.
Department of Transportation Secretary Giovanni Lopez can't help but express disappointment after his inspection of the ongoing North-South Commuter Railway or NSCR construction here in the portion of Angeles City, Pampanga. The status of the station's construction is delayed. That is why the DOTR will further intensify their monitoring of the ongoing construction of the NSCR to ensure that the project will be completed according to the target completion. According to Secretary Lopez, the portion of the project from Malolos, Bulacan to Valenzuela City is expected to be completed next year.
Ginagarantiya po namin, nagsabi na po tayo na talagang kakayanin po natin ang partial operations dyan by December hopefully of 2027.
The project started way back in 2020 and since then, the right-of-way was only at 7% until 2025. That is why, according to him, the cooperation of the local government unit is important to expedite and realize the project.
90% na po ang ating right-of-way. So at least makikita nyo po ngayon na umuusad na ang ating proyekto dito.
Meanwhile, the secretary emphasized that this kind of project is crucial, especially since vehicles in Metro Manila are seemingly in a funnel due to congestion. He said this will help speed up the commute for passengers, and the secretary added,
Instead of kumbaga wasting time sa traffic, you can spend more of it with your families and loved ones. Yun naman talaga po yung layunin po dito ng administrasyon kung bakit minamadali natin at pinapabilis natin mga ganitong proyekto.
the entirety of the NSCR is expected to be completed by 2032. This is still a long way off and a lot can still happen. But once this is finished, travel from Clark, Pampanga to Calamba, Laguna will be much faster. Because from a travel time of over 4 hours, it will be reduced to almost just 2 hours. J.M. Thompson from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.